This week at the Scottsdale Restoration shop, we're deep into a few projects here, mostly Corvette stuff. Let me show you what's inside. This 62 Corvette was brought to us for a full frame-off restoration. We started by stripping down the paint and removing the prior front fender flares that had been grafted on. The customer opted to go with a brand new Coffman Corvette chassis. These chassis are fitted with modern suspension geometry, and we actually keep these in stock to cut down on that build time for these full frame-off restorations. So along with a fresh paint job and chassis, we're also installing a brand new LS3 engine into the C1. This car is going to be as much showstopper as it is cruiser, and I can't wait till this project's finished. Also in this week, the 623 split window was brought in for some light maintenance. The owner was experiencing a fuel tank leak and wanted to adjust the coilovers a little bit, so we took care of him and got him back to cruising around town. This split window is rocking an LS9 and a manual transmission. And that blue paint is stunning in the sun. We got a couple of other projects in the shop, couple surprises, but we got plenty of videos that we've already filmed and recorded posted on the channel right now. So go check those out. And until then, we'll see you next week.